Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today we'll be focusing on a kale salad. It's going to feature some red cabbage and some baby bella mushrooms with a this one's a mouthful, a orange tahini or orange sesame ginger dressing. So first I want to talk to you all about the dressing and just go through some of the ingredients because I'm not going to put it together on screen, and then I'll show you what the finished product should look like. So we have our orange juice, oil, this is toasted sesame seed oil, tahini paste, which is just ground up sesame seeds, liquid amino acids, so this is gonna give us some of the fat we might be missing, and it is gluten-free, so it'll keep it safe for our celiac folks. We have honey here, vinegar, rice wine vinegar, then we have some ginger, garlic, and salt and pepper. So when you put this together, you're going to want to add all your ingredients to a bowl and just whisk it, but we're going to skip that part today. And this is what your final product should look like. So the health benefits of all these ingredients kind of overlap, but again, we have our dino kale, which is from Seminary Hill Farm, red cabbage, mushrooms, and our dressing. All of them are packed with a lot of antioxidants, a lot of fiber. You have things that are going to help you fight against like the common cold, said to help against cancer, but I don't know how true that is. And they all just really taste good together. So we are going to start putting this one together and look at the final product. All right. Of course, as always, we start with our solid food. So I'm going to start with kale and work my way down the line. And this is going to be a lot like a massage salad, but it could also classify as like a coleslaw, depending on what you're using it for. I served it by itself the other day, just as a coleslaw. And it will work really well for like if you were doing a Asian style taco or a cold salad. We're gonna add in our red cabbage, our baby bella mushrooms. They are sauteed, you don't have to, but I don't like raw mushrooms. So with mushrooms, I've discovered a recipe a while ago for mushroom po' boys, and in that recipe they have you soak them or marinate them in rice wine vinegar, oil, and salt and pepper. And I honestly think that's the best way I've ever had mushrooms. So you just do that. They don't have to sit for a long time, but the longer the better. And you throw them in the pan once they've set long enough. Medium heat, and you don't want to overcook them. They should still have a bite to them. So I think the key is making sure your pan is hot enough before you put them in, and they should have some color to them, like say if you're searing meat. You just want to get a little color on them. Yeah. And now the fun part, we're going to mix this up. And now we're just going to add in our dressing. And we're going to give it another mix. You can serve this immediately, but the longer it sits, the better it tastes. So my favorite thing about this recipe is that it only contains about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. And this is our final product. So when you hear the word massage salad. It's nothing to be afraid of. It literally is just taking your hands and working in whatever oil, fat, or acid to help break down the proteins in whatever produce you're using, since it should be in its raw state. And now we're gonna try it. It's good stuff. And from all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.